to the Big Y channel.
Hey there, flag explorers. Welcome back to Flags Around the World. I'm so excited you're here again. Last time, we climbed mountain flags, and you reached new heights like champions. Snow-capped mountain sparkles. Today, we're painting the sky with a colorful adventure. Can you say, rainbow? Great. We're visiting 10 incredible countries whose flags feature beautiful rainbows, literal rainbows, rainbow-like colors, and symbols of hope, diversity, and unity. Did you know rainbows on flags often represent promise, diversity, and the beauty of many colors coming together? Ready for a burst of color? Buckle up, because we're arching around the globe. Can you guess which country this flag belongs to? Yes, the correct answer is Nicaragua. Look at this beautiful blue-white-blue flag, and in the center, a coat of arms with a triangle, volcanoes, and a beautiful rainbow arching over it all. Nicaragua's rainbow is a symbol of hope and peace. Here's a lovely fact. The rainbow in Nicaragua's coat of arms represents peace and the promise of a bright future. The triangle represents equality. The 5 volcanoes represent the 5 Central American nations that once united. Nicaragua is famous for beautiful lakes, active volcanoes, and colorful colonial cities. It's also home to the largest freshwater lake in Central America, Lake Nicaragua. Fun fact: Nicaragua has over 300 beaches along 2 oceans, the Pacific and the Caribbean. That's a lot of sandy fun. Can you trace the rainbow arc in Nicaragua's flag with your finger? Arc, beautiful. Do you know which country uses this flag? Yes, the correct answer is Dominica. Look at this vibrant green flag with a cross of yellow, black, and white stripes, and in the center, a purple parrot surrounded by a circle of 10 green stars and a rainbow. Dominica's flag is one of the most colorful in the world. Here's an amazing fact. The purple Cicero parrot is found only on Dominica. It's the national bird. The rainbow around it represents hope and the island's bright future. The 10 stars represent the 10 parishes of Dominica. Dominica is called the Nature Island because it's covered in lush rainforests, waterfalls, and hot springs. It's one of the greenest places on Earth. Fun fact: Dominica has boiling lakes filled with hot, bubbling water from volcanic activity. You can't swim in them, but you can watch them bubble. Can you pretend to be a purple parrot? Flap your wings and say, "Pretty bird." Seen this flag before? Which country is it? Yes, the correct answer is Ecuador. Look at this yellow, blue, and red flag, and on the state version, a magnificent coat of arms with a condor, a ship, and a beautiful rainbow arching over Mount Chimborazo. Ecuador's rainbow represents hope and prosperity. Here's a meaningful fact. The rainbow in Ecuador's coat of arms represents the promise of a bright future and the beauty of nature. The condor represents power. The ship represents commerce. Together, they show a nation proud of its heritage and hopeful for tomorrow. Ecuador is named after the equator. The imaginary line that divides Earth in half runs right through it. It's also home to the amazing Galapagos Islands. Fun fact: Ecuador is one of only 2 countries named after a geographical feature, the equator. The other is Ivory Coast. Can you stretch your arms wide like Ecuador's condor? Soar high. I'll show you a flag. Can you guess the country? Yes, the correct answer is El Salvador. Look at this blue and white flag, and in the center, a triangle with volcanoes, a liberty cap, and a beautiful rainbow. El Salvador's rainbow represents peace and hope after struggle. Here's a special fact. The rainbow in El Salvador's coat of arms represents peace and the promise of a better future. The triangle represents equality. The 5 volcanoes represent the 5 Central American nations. The liberty cap represents freedom. El Salvador is known as the land of volcanoes for its dramatic mountain landscapes. It's also famous for delicious pupusas, stuffed corn tortillas, and beautiful Pacific beaches. Fun fact: El Salvador was the first country to ratify the Central American Free Trade Agreement, showing its commitment to progress. Can you make a triangle with your hands? 3 sides, equal. This flag belongs to which country? Take a guess. Yes, the correct answer is Belize. Look at this blue and white flag, and in the center, a triangle with volcanoes, a liberty cap, and a beautiful rainbow. El Salvador's rainbow represents peace and hope after struggle. Here's a special fact: the rainbow in El Salvador's coat of arms represents peace and the promise of a better future. The triangle represents equality. The 5 volcanoes represent the 5 Central American nations. The liberty cap represents freedom. El Salvador is known as the land of volcanoes for its dramatic mountain landscapes. It's also famous for delicious pupusas, stuffed corn tortillas, and beautiful Pacific beaches. Fun fact: El Salvador was the first country to ratify the Central American Free Trade Agreement, showing its commitment to progress. Can you make a triangle with your hands? 3 sides, equal. Do you recognize this flag? What country is it? Yes, the correct answer is South Africa. Look at this vibrant flag with 6 amazing colors: black, yellow, green, red, blue, and white, all coming together in a bold Y shape. South Africa's flag is called the rainbow flag, and it's full of hope. Here's a powerful fact: while there's no literal rainbow, South Africa is called the Rainbow Nation because of its incredible diversity of people, cultures, and languages. The Y shape represents different paths and people coming together as one nation. South Africa is famous for amazing wildlife safaris. You can see lions, elephants, and rhinos in their natural home. It's also home to Table Mountain, one of the world's most beautiful natural landmarks. Fun fact: South Africa has 3 capital cities. Pretoria, Cape Town, and Bloemfontein each have different government jobs. Can you make a Y shape with your arms? Spread them wide like unity. Can you guess which country this flag belongs to? Yes, the correct answer is Mauritius. Look at this beautiful flag with 4 horizontal stripes: red, blue, yellow, and green. Mauritius flag is like a mini rainbow flying in the sky. Here's a lovely fact: each color represents something special. Red for struggle and independence, blue for the Indian Ocean, yellow for sunshine and freedom, and green for nature and agriculture. Together, they show a nation that values both its history and its bright future. Mauritius is a stunning island nation in the Indian Ocean, famous for crystal clear waters, white sand beaches, and the rare dodo bird, which once lived only on this island. Fun fact: Mauritius is one of the few places in the world where you can see an underwater waterfall, an optical illusion created by sand and silt flowing off the continental shelf. Can you point to the 4 colors on Mauritius flag? Red, blue, yellow, green. Do you know which country uses this flag? Yes, the correct answer is Seychelles. Look at this dynamic flag with 5 colorful beams radiating from the bottom left corner: blue, yellow, red, white, and green. Seychelles' flag looks like sunshine bursting over the ocean, like a rainbow explosion. Here's a vibrant fact: the 5 colors represent the land, people, and natural beauty of Seychelles. The radiating design shows a new, hopeful future shining forward. Blue is the ocean, yellow is the sun, red is the people, white is justice, and green is the land. Rainbow. Seychelles is made up of 115 stunning islands with crystal clear waters, giant tortoises, and some of the world's most beautiful beaches. Fun fact: Seychelles is home to the coco de mer, the world's largest seed, which can weigh up to 20 kilograms. That's as heavy as a big dog. Can you spread your arms like sunshine rays radiating out? Shine bright. Have you seen this flag before? Which country is it? Yes, the correct answer is Bolivia. Look at this red, yellow, and green flag, and alongside it, the Wiphala, a square rainbow flag with 49 colored squares representing the indigenous peoples of the Andes. Bolivia has 2 official flags. Here's a meaningful fact. The Wiphala rainbow flag represents the diversity and unity of Bolivia's indigenous peoples. Each color has meaning: red for earth, orange for culture, yellow for energy, white for time, green for nature, blue for sky, and violet for community. Bolivia is home to the world's largest salt flat, Salar de Uyuni, which looks like a giant mirror when it rains. It also has 2 capital cities. Fun fact: Bolivia has over 200 types of hummingbirds, more than any other country. That's a lot of tiny, fast birds. Can you pretend to fly like a hummingbird? Flutter, flutter, fast. I'll show you a flag. Can you guess the country? Yes, the correct answer is Comoros. Look at this colorful flag with 4 horizontal stripes: yellow, white, red, and blue, a green triangle, and a white crescent moon with 4 white stars. Comoros' flag is like a rainbow of island unity. Here's a beautiful fact: the 4 stripes represent the 4 islands of Comoros. The green triangle stands for Islam. The crescent and 4 stars also represent the 4 islands united as one nation. Together, the colors create a rainbow effect showing diversity and hope. Comoros is known as the Perfume Islands because it produces fragrant flowers used in perfumes worldwide. Fun fact: Comoros is one of the few places in the world where you can see the rare coelacanth fish, a living fossil that scientists thought was extinct. Can you point to the 4 stars? 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. In our next video, we're exploring desert flags. We'll visit countries with golden sands, ancient trade routes, and resilient cultures, lands shaped by the desert. You won't want to miss it.
Thanks for watching. If you'd like more videos like this, please subscribe. We're so happy to learn with you. That's it for today, explorers. Keep asking big questions, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye, and stay curious.